All right, I'm gonna be changing out the iron sights on the SIG P365. I'm gonna be installing these suppressor sights, the 6-hour ones, the X-Ray 3 day-night super tall. I'm also gonna be installing this HS 507K Holosun red dot. Start off right here, nothing in the chamber, no magazine, nothing in the chamber. I'm gonna be using this wire gear sight pusher tool. I had it kind of set up. Let's see. Just kind of gotta line it up. Here we are. All right, let me see. Right about there. Let's see. It's got little lines on it, so you can see if you're lined up, which I am. You just go by off the lines that it has right here. It's kind of hard to see. So you just line it up. It's got lines. You want to be parallel with them, with the slide. All right, then you tighten it. And this thing right here. All right, you want to push it out to the left, that way. So what you're gonna do, down. I already had mine kind of set up, but I'm gonna show you. Just snug it up real quick so I can show. All right, so you adjust with this thing right here, up and down, and what you want to adjust is right here. You wanted to get as much as of the front sight or rear sight, whichever one you're doing, and not slide across the barrel, because you don't want to mess up the, you don't want to mess up the slide. So with mine, I got a little gap. It's kind of hard to see, but it's not touching the slide, but it is touching the sight. And I'm gonna go that way. All right, it's all tight. Just bring it in. And just kind of crank at it. It's coming. Should be off soon. Almost off. All right, it's off. I'll set this to the side. Also, if you're wondering why I have this red one, it's because I did have the front one, the front stock one, the X-Ray one, but it was really dim, and SIG was willing to replace it for free, but I had to wait weeks, so I just took it off myself and had this one laying around, which XDs, from what I read, which is true because I had it on there, they work. The XD sights work on these. I don't know if all of them, I don't know which ones. This one came off of XD Mod 2. I want to say it was a subcompact. It could have been the subcompact. So take that off. All right, to the side. Open this. Set that to the side. All right, you can put a little oil if you'd like. I use this dry oil stuff just in case. You could have soaked it. Came out pretty easy. You could soak it overnight. That's how you have to do the XDs. But these are pretty easy because, like I said, I've already taken it off before. So you're gonna go install it the way it came out. And does this have a notch? This one does not. Sometimes they do. But just right there. Make sure it's good. All right. Cool. Same thing, just you already had it set. That's right there. align these two. And look at it real quick. That looks good. Yeah, pretty low. There. And just turn it in. Hold on. It's coming up. Let's see here. Yep. Let's see. Let's see how it's going in. Make sure it's going in pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. Yep. Okay. Just making sure. There we go. Going in. It's almost there. Yep. Back it out and look. See how much more I need. Looks like I need a little bit. It's to the right a little bit. And I'm sweaty because it's hot in the garage. All right. Let's see. Needs to go in a little further. It's about, yeah, just a little more. Okay. Just make sure you line it up again. Let's look at it. Yeah, it's pretty lined up, maybe a little bit to the right there. About there. Bring it forward a little bit. Tighten it back up. Tighten it all down. just keep going to the left. All right, let's look at it. Looks like it's there. Maybe a little more to the left. It's hard to see. Yeah, a little more to the left. It's almost there. Almost. Just gotta check. Keep going that way. Just a little more. You could always back it up, but it's easier if you just get it the first time. Let's see. That might be it. Yeah, that's it. All right. Oh, maybe a little back. Let's see. Yeah, I gotta go back a little bit. I might have gone a little too far. Go back a little bit. All right. Just a little bit back. Right about there. Right there is what I think. Let's see. Yeah, super close. I could just take one of these things, a caliper, turn it on. But for the sake of time, I'm not gonna get all precise. I'll do that later. And then just kind of take measurements like, you know, like that, and see what it reads, you know, and then do the other side, and you wanna get as close to the middle as possible. But for the sake of time, I'm not gonna be all precise, just an example. All right, so the camera phone overheated and it stopped recording, but where I left off was basically you could adjust it with the calipers. So just take your calipers and do like the front right here, just kind of rest it there, push it forward to the side right there, and it's giving me 1875, and then just do the other side. Same thing, just kind of same area where you did it, the front. It's giving me 1905. It's super close. I'm gonna leave it there. That's like, it's crazy. That's too close. So one more time. Yeah, 1875. Yep, did it again. And 183. So it's just close. I'm gonna leave it there. And that's how I lined it up. Next thing I'm gonna do is the rear sights. All right, gotta loosen these. Come on. Yeah, it's freaking hot in my garage. things are kind of stuck here. All right. My hands are sweaty. There we go. They're sweaty. All right, take this off. Actually, I want to scoot it to the back. I'm just gonna slide it back. Just make sure you line it up again. Right there, lines right there. And then right here, put this on. Gotta lift, gotta come up a little bit from what I see. A little more. A little less. Let's see if it's lined up. That's pretty close with the lines. Okay, tighten it, snug it. And I think I'm here with the adjustments. Like I said, you adjust it with this one. Up and down, and it needed to come up because it was touching the slide right there. It looks like it's good. It looks like it actually needs to go up a little more. Not too much. See if it's still lined up. Yeah, it looks lined up. Okay, tighten it. It's at the proper height so it doesn't slide, doesn't ride the slide. All right, tighten it up. And let's look, yeah. Is it gonna hit the slide? It looks like it could come up a little more, just a little more. So that's what I'll do. Let's see. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. See what it looks like when you tighten it up. There we go. It's got like a little gap. It's hard to see. Let me turn on the light. Yep. Yeah, it's got a little gap. It's hard to see, but it's right there. Very little. All right. And then just gonna take it to the left to take it out. Let's see. There we go. And it's coming out. Make sure it's still tight. Yep. balance out. All right. Cool. All right. Clean that off. Looks good. Came off pretty good. And the X-ray sight, put that to the side. Over here, now I'm going to do suppressor height sight on. And bring it in this way from left to right. Make sure I got it on. Yep. And like I said, you can put a little oil. We got this stuff laying around right here. It's a dry oil, Century Arms. I like it a lot. All right. And this was a lot easier than the front. Might be there, might have to back it out, I'm not sure. Let's look. Looks pretty close. All right. Jesus, close. Same thing. Just find a way, do the calipers, zero it out, and just kind of do that. Right there, all the way in. It's like 1095. And then do the other side. Gotta grab it from over here. 103. Let me see if I got the measurement right. Do that again. Yeah, 1035. Yeah, 107. Let's see. But yeah, that's how you adjust it. If you really want to adjust it, looks like it needs to go a little bit back. A little bit back, yeah. Just a little bit. As you saw, it was off by like a little bit. Let's see there. And this thing also has adjustments, but you know. Let's look at it. That's so close. I think it's right there. Well, why not? Let's see. From the front. 110. One, two. Let's see. Yeah, it could go this way a little bit more, but it's off by just a little bit. I'm gonna leave it like that for now, just for time's sake. I'll adjust the layer. That's basically it. Suppressor height sights. All right, let's put it together, see what it looks like. Oop. Get this out of the way. Set this in. Oh, it's freaking hot in the garage. Get some Loctite. Where did I put it? Put it to the side. A little drop. Need that one. Set it in. Some blue Loctite. Oh, a little too much. Got a rag right there. And from what HoloSun said, it's 15-inch pounds. So, got this thing right here, turn it on. I already had it set to 15. Let's see. Yeah, 15. And just kind of one at a time, so it goes down evenly. Make sure it's straight. See, right there, when it pulls the beep, it's when you're real close. One more. There we go. It's like 15.3 or something right there. Right there, 15.2. And that's it. That's it torqued. All right. Let's see how it looks. This thing out of the way. And that's basically right there. It's hard to see. Let me try again. I gotta fix the red dot as well. I'm not sure if it's completely correct. I gotta go try it out. See if we can get a better view. Looks pretty good to me. And that's that. All right. Yeah, it's about, I want to say it's co-witness. Maybe, I don't even know, honestly. I think that's what it's called. It's very close. All right. And then one last thing, actually, I have this Techniclip right here. This is my pocket holster. Where's my Loctite? Right here. Still got a little drop right here. Use that on that. All right. Set this in here. Start this one off. Do the other one. Still got a little Loctite on this. A little Just kind of do them evenly. And this is like a pocket holster, like a clip. Works pretty good. I really like it. I've had a couple of people ask me what this protrusion was, what the back thing was, and it's for this. I'm left-handed, so I put it to the left. And I don't know the torque specs to this, so I just kind of snug it. Like not too crazy because they're small. And I put blue Loctite so they don't come out, just kind of a little bit. So this one's already kind of tight. This one's kind of loose. About there. I don't want to give it too much. Right about there. Yep. And then clean it off. All right. I got a magazine over here with no bullets. It's completely empty. Completely empty. I got the IMT trigger. TLR, what is this, 6. Suppressor height sights. The Holosun HS 507. 507K X2. And a Techniclip. Yeah. I like it. Feels good. As I look down the sights, it's pretty awesome. Yeah. I recommend it if you don't like, if you guys get something like with a suppressor or the red dot and you don't like the sights that it came with or the way it looks with the sights. I recommend it like this. This is pretty cool. Can't wait to go shoot it. Can't wait to sight it in. Like I said, I just got it. Just making a quick video on how to install the sights, and I love them. All right, cool.